How to post on CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now to post your template in CapCut, you must be the CapCut template creator and you must edit video regularly in CapCut and post regularly in CapCut. So you must be active in CapCut to upload your template in CapCut so that CapCut will recognize you as a template creator. So once you're eligible for that, then only you will be able to post on CapCut. Now, to post your template on CapCut, what you have to do is once you are done editing your template and to post it, after you export it, then you will have an option to share it on CapCut. So you can simply set it on CapCut and then your template will be uploaded. For example, I have this CapCut template ready. Then tap on export from the top right corner, and once the video is exported, you will find a share option. Now here, if you are eligible to upload template in CapCut, there you'll find an option to share it to CapCut, and that's how you can post to CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.